Exercise 3.3, second question, expand. Okay, 2a plus 5 the whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b the whole cube. In algebra, whenever you are doing a sum, you have to check the given question is in the form of what kind of identity. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b the whole cube formula. Okay, so the answer is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Once again, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, just compare the question and this formula. In the place of a, what is there? A is equal to 2a. In the place of b, 5. Just substitute in the formula. In the place of a, 2a plus in the place of b, 5. So 2a plus 5 the whole cube equal to, in the place of a, what is there? 2a the whole cube. You must put a bracket because this cube is for 2 as well as a. So 2a the whole cube. The bracket is very important one. If you have only one term, you can you don't want to put a bracket. If you have two terms like this, you just put a bracket, not a two term. If you have one number and one variable is there, you just put a bracket. It will be better. Plus in the place of b, 5. So here we have only one number, so directly you can write 5 cube. You understood? So if you have a number and a variable, you just put a bracket. If you have only a number or a variable, you just put a without a bracket you can write. Plus 3ab. What is mean by 3ab? 3 into a into b. So 3 into a into b. 3 into a is 2a into b is 5. Is it clear? Yes, next one. Open a bracket, a plus b. So 2a plus 5. 2a plus 5. After that, 2a the whole cube. What do you mean by 2a the whole cube? 2a into 2a into 2a. I'll show the rough work. 2a into 2a into 2a. First multiply all the number terms. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into a square. A square into a is a cube. Just add the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 8a cube. After that, 5 cube. What do you mean by 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 625. So 625. After that, multiply all the number terms. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. A, only one a is there. So write the a directly. So we will get 30a. After that, 2a plus 5. 2a plus 5. In the next step, you just write the single terms as such. Then 30a bracket 2a plus 5. Okay. So if it is a bracket, what is mean by bracket? You have to do the multiplication. So you just multiply 30a into 2a. After that, multiply 30a into 5. Is it clear? So 32s are 60. 32s are 60. A into a equal to a square. A into a is equal to a square. 32s are 60. A into a is equal to a square. So term 1 over. Next let us multiply term 2. 30 into 5. Let's do the rough work. 30 into 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 3s are 15. So the answer is, before that multiply the sign. Plus into plus is equal to plus. 30 5s are 150. Then a, here we have a a. Here there is no a. So you just write only one a. Now you just write the powers in descending order. So 8a cube. After that, after cube what will come? Square. So 60a square plus after that only one a. 150a. Finally write the constant term, in the sense the number term. Clear? Here there is no like term. So one is cube, another one is square, another one is just a, another one is constant term, number term. So you can't do anything hereafter. Very simple, no? If you know this formula, then it will be very easy. I'll give you the homework, you can do it.